Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you all for watching. I do appreciate it. A couple of new subscribers out there. Thank you very much. Today we're going to make a drink called the Philadelphia Fish House Punch. Quite a few ingredients, as you can see, but the end result is definitely worth it. Okay, it's going to call for one Laird's Brandy. This is bottled in bond 100 proof. One of those. About out of that, got to get some more. And 1/2 Appleton Signature rum. And 1/4 Smith & Cross rum. This is 114 proof. 1/4. Good Jamaican rum. Get your bottle. You can always use it around the bar. And 1/4 Cruzan Blackstrap. One-quarter peach liqueur. And 1/2 ginger syrup. I'm going to use Liber. 1/2. And 1/4 lime juice. And 3/4 lemon juice. And 2 dashes of Angostura. This is orange bitters. Okay, and I'm going to whip that up. I've got couple of cubes here. I've got a fish full of ice ready to receive. So we'll whip this. About 30 shakes on the whip. Strain this off. Into our fish. And a straw. And a mint sprig if you have it. Mine's outside right now. I gotta go pick it. So here it is, the Philadelphia Fish House Punch, 26%. This is the NOMAD bar version. Hope you all enjoy it. Keep watching, and we'll see you next time.